Welcome to the ultimate travel guide for the vibrant city of Tokyo, Japan. Tokyo's allure is undeniable, with its blend of traditional and contemporary wonders. This guide will take you on an unforgettable journey through the city's iconic landmarks, tantalizing culinary scene, and unique cultural experiences. We'll also dive into the world of Tokyo's shopping and entertainment, ensuring you get the most out of your visit. So buckle up, adventurers, and get ready to uncover the treasures of Tokyo. Tokyo teems with iconic landmarks that you simply cannot miss. This city, a fascinating blend of traditional and modern, is home to structures that are nothing short of architectural marvels. Let's start with the Tokyo Skytree, the beacon of the city's skyline. Towering at over 2,000 feet, it's the tallest freestanding broadcasting tower in the world. But the Skytree isn't just about height. Its unique design, inspired by the traditional Japanese concept of sori and mukuri, gives it a distinctive shape that symbolizes the fusion of the past and the future. The Skytree offers an unparalleled view of the city, and on a clear day, you can even catch a glimpse of Mount Fuji in the distance. Next, we journey back in time to the Sensoji Temple, the oldest and one of the most significant Buddhist temples in Tokyo. Established in the 7th century, Sensoji is a testament to Tokyo's rich history. The temple is dedicated to Kannon, the Buddhist goddess of mercy and compassion. The grandeur of the temple, with its intricate details and beautiful pagoda, is a sight to behold. And the bustling market street leading up to it, known as Nakami's, is a treat for the senses with its variety of colorful stalls selling traditional snacks and souvenirs. Finally, we can't talk about Tokyo's iconic landmarks without mentioning the Shibuya Crossing, often referred to as the Scramble. It's one of the busiest pedestrian crossings in the world, with up to 3,000 people crossing at a time from all directions. The Shibuya Crossing is a testament to Tokyo's vibrant and bustling life. It's a symbol of the city's ceaseless energy and the rhythmic chaos that somehow just works. These landmarks paint a vivid picture of Tokyo's breathtaking skyline and rich history. They are not just places to visit, they're experiences that capture the essence of this incredible city. Each one tells a different story, offering a unique perspective of Tokyo and what makes it truly special. Tokyo is a paradise for food lovers, boasting more Michelin-starred restaurants than any other city in the world. Picture this: a bustling city, alive with the sounds of sizzling grills, the aroma of simmering broths, and the sight of perfectly crafted sushi rolls. Welcome to Tokyo, a city where food is not just a necessity, but a form of art and a way of life. Dive headfirst into the world of sushi. Tokyo houses the finest sushi establishments, from traditional edome sushi restaurants to the innovative sushi bars. Here, sushi is an experience, and each bite narrates a tale of the sea and the skilled hands that shaped it. But Tokyo's culinary scene is not just about sushi. Ramen lovers will find themselves in a soup-soaked heaven. From the rich, creamy tonkotsu ramen of Hakata to the soy-based shoyu ramen of Tokyo, there's a bowl for every palate. And let's not forget the tsukemen, where noodles and broth are served separately, a Tokyo-born innovation that's a testament to the city's continuous culinary evolution. Yet Tokyo's food journey doesn't end at restaurants. The city's streets are filled with vendors serving mouth-watering treats. Savor the sweet and savory flavors of yakitori, grilled chicken skewers that are a popular street food. Or try the takoyaki, a ball-shaped snack filled with minced or diced octopus, tempura scraps, pickled ginger, and green onion. For a truly luxurious experience, Tokyo's high-end dining scene is second to none. The city's Michelin-starred restaurants offer a dining experience par excellence, a blend of time-honored techniques and innovative approaches. Kaiseki, a traditional multi-course Japanese dinner, is a must-try. It's not just a meal, it's a journey that encapsulates the beauty of Japan's 4 seasons in each dish. Tokyo's food scene is a beautiful paradox, where the traditional coexists with the modern, the simple with the sophisticated. It's a city where you can enjoy a bowl of ramen at a humble street stall one moment and dine in a world-class restaurant the next. Whether you're a food connoisseur or a casual diner, Tokyo's culinary scene is sure to leave a lasting impression. Immerse yourself in Japan's rich cultural heritage right here in Tokyo. Stepping into Tokyo is like opening a timeless book, each page filled with stories of a culture that has been meticulously preserved and gently evolved over centuries. Here, tradition and modernity coexist in a harmonious dance that is both captivating and intriguing. Start your cultural journey with the tranquil tea ceremonies, an integral part of Japanese culture. These ceremonies, known as sado or chado, are not just about brewing tea, but also about aesthetics, preparation, and the art of hosting. The act of making and drinking tea becomes a spiritual experience, a meditation that slows down time and calms the mind. Next, delve into the dramatic world of traditional Japanese theater, such as kabuki and no. These performances are a feast for the senses, with elaborate costumes, expressive masks, and mesmerizing music. Kabuki, with its high-drama plotlines and exaggerated movements, offers a visual spectacle, while No's minimalist beauty invites contemplation. Each performance is a window into the soul of Japan, reflecting its history, mythology, and societal norms. But your cultural expedition wouldn't be complete without a visit to Tokyo's historic temples and shrines. These sacred spaces offer a sanctuary from the city's bustling pace. Whether it's the grandeur of Sensoji, Tokyo's oldest temple, or the serene beauty of Meiji Shrine nestled in a lush forest, these places are tangible links to Japan's past. Here you can witness rituals, partake in festivals, and even try your hand at traditional activities like calligraphy. Don't forget to explore the smaller neighborhood shrines and temples too. They may not be as famous, but they offer a more intimate glimpse into the daily life and spirituality of the locals. From the calming tea ceremonies and the vibrant world of traditional theater to the spiritual respite offered by temples and shrines, Tokyo is a treasure trove of cultural experiences. Each one invites you to slow down, to observe, to participate, and to learn. These cultural experiences offer a unique chance to delve deep into Japan's fascinating history and traditions. Tokyo is a hub for shopping and entertainment, catering to all tastes and budgets. Tokyo's shopping scene is a fascinating blend of the traditional and the avant-garde, where high fashions meets pop culture. Let's begin our journey in the chic district of Ginza. Known as Tokyo's most luxurious shopping area, Ginza is a haven for fashion enthusiasts. Here, you'll find flagship stores of world-renowned designers, towering department stores, and even art galleries. But Ginza isn't just for the fashion-forward. Antique lovers will also find joy in the district's charming vintage shops and weekend antique markets. Next, we turn to Harajuku, the heart of Japan's kawaii or cute culture. This vibrant district is a playground of color and creativity, brimming with boutiques that sell everything from edgy streetwear to whimsical accessories. Harajuku is also home to Takashita Street, a bustling pedestrian lane packed with trendy stores, cafes, and crepe stands. It's a must-visit for anyone looking to experience Tokyo's youthful, quirky side. But shopping is just one facet of Tokyo's allure. The city's entertainment scene is equally captivating. Karaoke, a pastime deeply ingrained in Japanese culture, is a must-try. Whether you're a seasoned performer or a shower singer, belting out tunes in a private karaoke booth is a uniquely Tokyo experience you won't want to miss. And let's not forget about Tokyo's thriving anime and manga culture. Akihabara, often called the city's otaku or geek district, is a wonderland for fans of these art forms. Here you'll find stores stacked high with manga, anime figurines, and other pop culture merchandise. For those seeking family-friendly fun, Tokyo Disneyland is a magical choice. This beloved theme park combines classic Disney charm with unique attractions that you won't find anywhere else. From high-end fashion to pop culture merchandise, Tokyo offers a shopping and entertainment experience like no other. So, whether you're a shopaholic, a pop culture fanatic, or someone simply looking for a fun night out, Tokyo is sure to deliver. Tokyo, a city of contrasts, offers a unique blend of traditional and modern attractions. It's a metropolis where skyscrapers stand tall amidst century-old temples and where bustling markets coexist with tranquil parks. This travel guide took you on a journey through the city's iconic landmarks, from the towering Tokyo Skytree to the historic Imperial Palace. Each monument, each structure, tells a story, a tale of Tokyo's past and its leap into the future. We delved into Tokyo's culinary scene, a gastronomic paradise where you can savor everything from Michelin-starred sushi to comforting bowls of ramen. The city's food is a testament to its dedication to quality and tradition, a culinary adventure waiting for you to embark on. We also experienced Tokyo's rich culture, a tapestry woven with traditional arts, festivals, and customs. From tea ceremonies to sumo wrestling, Tokyo offers a cultural immersion like no other. And who can forget about shopping and entertainment? From high-end fashion boutiques in Ginza to the quirky stores of Akihabara, Tokyo caters to every shopper's whims and fancies. Its entertainment scene, too, is unparalleled with its world-renowned anime, manga, and music. So there you have it, your ultimate guide to exploring the dynamic city of Tokyo. With so much to see, to eat, to experience, every visit to Tokyo is a new adventure. Enjoy your journey.